What's up, guys? Welcome back to my car. Today's video is going to be all about DoorDash, and I want to follow UDM's method. If you don't know who UDM is, he's another gig tuber who makes videos about DoorDash, and he made a couple videos about DoorDash and breaking down how they pay us drivers per hour. So I took a lot of notes, I watched the videos, and I want to try out this method with you guys. It is Sunday evening. I'm scheduled from 5 to 7, and it is what, 4:46. I can dash now. Because as dashers know, if you are scheduled, you can dash a little bit early. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and go over. If you don't know what this method is, okay, so in my area, in the Tampa Brandon area, we are projected to make $20 an hour. So he has two separate methods. One is for accepting every order to equal out to the $20 in the hour. And if you guys know, like, I cannot accept no tip orders, $3, $4. That goes against everything I know. But his second method is where you cherry pick, and you should be getting a certain amount of orders to get you to that amount. He did not, however, mention miles when it comes to these orders. Mainly, he just wants us, look at the time and the amounts. And we are projected to earn $20 in 1 hour. So if I start the hour right now at 4:48, by 5:48, I should be at $20. No matter what. I will also leave UDM's channel link down below so you could watch it for yourself. I also have to tell you guys that I am scheduled with Solo for the next couple hours, just in case if I don't reach their minimum earnings guarantee, they will pay me the difference. I've been using Solo for 3 months now, and my highest payout was $47 because sometimes these apps don't pay you enough, and if it's less than what Solo is guaranteeing for that hour, Solo will come in and pay you the difference. I'll have that link down below. So 4:51, we are going to start our dash now, phone charger, enough gas, red card, hot bag. We are on the DoorDash app now, ready for orders. Am I in a hot spot? Instantly, I'm getting $3.50 for 1.7 miles. I am going to decline this because, like I said, it's against everything I know to take a no tip order. So that is declined. Let's see what order I get next. So I put a lot of time into this merch. Every time I get the order and I bring it back to the car, I say, I got the goods, and y'all like, y'all gotta put that on a shirt. You gotta put that on a shirt. So that is what I did. But you know, sometimes it could be taken in the wrong way. So I had to go in and put hashtag food delivery, you know. It's food. I got the food, y'all. I got the food. So if you want to get some merch, links down below. Use code FREESHIP for free shipping on your order. Okay, I wrote it down. 4:51 is our start time. I am scheduled till 7, so what, 6:51, we'll call it the 2-hour mark. So according to his method, at 5:51 the hour starts again. So it doesn't go off of what you were scheduled, it goes off of the exact minute you started your dash. I'm getting another order. So this is for $7.50. It is 6.5 miles. Those miles are pretty high. It's Wingstop, 2 items. There might be a hidden tip. Let's see. The drop-off time is 5:31. Should I take this order, you say? It is keeping me in the area. So I know the miles are high. There should be a hidden tip. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm already in the plaza where this is, so let's go pick it up. Thank you. I got the goods, you guys. I'll put that in my hot bag. So the pickup time was 5:05. It is now 5:14. Wow. Okay, confirm. I didn't realize I waited that long. So it's handed to me. He gave me the gate code, so it's apartment. Let's go drop this off. So the delivery time was 5:40. It is 5:31. We made it here early. So I was offered $7.50 complete delivery. Let's see, $7.50 is what I got. So it didn't go up, it didn't have a hidden tip. All right, I just got back to the plaza, the same area that I the same area I picked up from. So it's now 5:43. We are still at the $7.50. I did not get another order on the whole way back. So technically, according to his method, I have 8 minutes to reach the $20. All right, it is now 5:51. I still haven't gotten a single order, which is baffling because it is prime dinner time on a Sunday. Not a single order. So the only orders I received in the past hour was the no tip order, and then the $7.50 order I did take. So I don't know. I really don't know. So now, according to UDM and his method, his big brain method, it officially starts another hour. I made $7.50 in the past hour. All right, and just like that, the miles are not popping up though. Okay, there they are. $12 for 2.4 miles. I got a banger order. That is what time it is. 5:53, a minute after I stopped my camera. So I'm picking up this banger order right here at this McDonald's. Let's go pick it up. Thank you. Confirm. Let's see. Exactly $12. $4 tip. So there is a $5.50 peak pay. Oh my gosh, I did not see that when I started delivering. So you might be adding this $12 to the $7.50 I already made, which does bring you to $19.50. But according to UDM, the next hour started at 4:51, exactly an hour after I started my dash. So you can't put those two orders together. It would make sense though to put them together, and it would make sense to why this base pay is $5.50. I mean peak pay. The highest peak pay I have ever seen in this area was like maybe $3, and that's like never. So I don't know, it makes sense to put those two together. Let's see how much money I can make in the rest of the hour. It is 6:07 right now. I'm heading back to the plaza. I'll let you guys know what order I get next. Y'all, I was just about to come on here and say I haven't got an order yet. I'm getting another $12 order for 2.2 miles at the McDonald's I'm sitting at. The pickup time is in 5 minutes. 6:27. Bro, I cannot believe that I'm getting two $12 orders back to back. Let me accept this before I accidentally miss it. There is no peak pay in my area at this time. If there is, it's $1. Thank you. No problem. I got the goods. It was sitting back there completed and nobody was putting it on the shelf. And I'm like, hello, put it on the shelf. All right, this is a leave at door. And like I said, it was 2.2 miles away. So let's go deliver this order. All right, I'm almost to the drop off. I realize I'm not taking screenshots of these orders, but I am showing you the complete order, the drop off time, the current time. I'm baffled though, because if I have like 20 minutes after this, I'm coming up to the house shortly, and then I have 20 minutes until my second hour closes. So dude, if I get another $7-8 order, bro, that will put me at the $20 for each hour. All right, $12 again, another $5.50 peak pay. I'm telling you, there's no peak pay right now. It's 6:33. Okay, moment of truth. No, come back. Moment of truth. We are opening this together. It is at McDonald's. I'll be done with it at 7 o'clock. It's $11 for 2 miles. Why am I getting such banger McDonald's orders? It's only 2 items, y'all. I don't understand what's happening. Okay, I gotta accept it. I had 8 seconds left. My dash does end at 7, and this drop-off time was at 7. I've only declined that one $3 order. UDM, can you explain this to me? Like, you got something going on here. I mean, the timing's a little off, but bro, my mind is blown. I'm gonna go get this order. Thank you. That was the smartest way it could have taken me, because otherwise I would have had to go to the front and then drive all the way back here. All right, so the full payout for that was $11. Peak pay being $5.50. I don't understand that. It is $6.56 right now, so I don't know. So in the 2 hours that I've worked, I made $42.50. Let's see what else. I'm going to end my dash. 2 hours, 4 deliveries. I made $42. I've never made that much. And then I come out as gray. I made $42.50. The pay, the tip, the active time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. The dash time was 2 hours and 5 minutes. But like I said, it was like 5 minutes over the initial time that I started. Like, does that make sense? In my area, I never see $12, $11 orders. Without those peak pays, it would have been $7 and $8 orders. That's pretty normal. I don't know where the peak pay has came from. There is no peak pay in my area. But like I also said, I received a total of 5 orders that came to my phone. The first one being a $3 order I could not take. $7.50, $12, $12, and $11. So only 5 orders came to my phone. I declined 1 order in the past 2 hours. That is crazy. Normally I decline 10 to get 1 good order. So UDM, if you decide to react to this video, go ahead. Please don't call me a clown. I did my best. I did my research. I took notes. I did my best. I showed you guys everything. I didn't take screenshots, but I showed you the whole screen, all the times. I don't know what else I could have done. Like, I only declined that 1 order in the beginning. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. If you want to see me do this again, let me know below. If you want to see me do accepting every order method with doing this, let me know below. Don't let me know. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of this video. I am one happy dasher tonight. Make sure you check out the new merch that I got. I also got like a couple other designs. Use code FREESHIP for free shipping, and I will see you guys in my next video.